All right, guys, I did it again. I making another section, and I didn't think to start filming until I was pretty far into it. So I made these with these like jumbo popsicle sticks and some cardboard so far. But the track's massive, so I figured I might as well just, keep going. So I made this top section in the last video, and it kind of like came across this bridge over here and went up and just looped around. I made this sweet little hole that the kid keeps driving down and dropping into the first floor. But yeah, so this was kind of like boring, and I needed a way to add a little bit more features. So I'm gonna throw some more of these like single rail bridges up here from these points, and then maybe do like a suspension bridge or something right here and open up this do not enter area so the course can just kind of travel through in more different ways, and we'll just see what this develops into. So I'm gonna keep adding some cardboard in here and bring this as a second slope to go across this other bridge, and I'll start shooting again. One new thing I'll add, like a technique I've kind of been using throughout this section that I should have did in the entirety of the whole project, is kind of like gluing down the cardboard and then shaping it a little bit. Like here, I did this deck in, and it's actually gonna pitch down over here. So I'm gonna just bend the cardboard down and then glue it. And it really helped flow things a lot better. And it really would have helped with this, because I could have used a whole strip of cardboard and then just kind of did some tiers to hold it. And just, it would have helped out a lot on kind of like chunking everything together and build the structure before I spray foam everything. But with the spray foam, you really have to like give it something to stick on, and because it'll want to drop. It has to be somewhat solid. You can fill in, things like these and then let it dry and do it another step. But I'm just kind of winging it and going for like a quick process. These sections are building out within like a day, already painted and dried, and driving the car on them. So yeah, I'm gonna just keep with the winging it thing. So wasn't a whole lot of room in here, and I'm gonna kind of do some like lower stuff into this piece. But I ended up just kind of ramping this up here, and it's gonna come off to the side here and go through this one, or you can continue out the outer edge here and go to the top tier. So I'm gonna let this glue keep cooling down and finish this up so I can start spray foaming. All right, spray foamed up, waiting for it to dry. Probably gonna use some grout down here to add some texture. Yeah, in the hour that'll be dried up, ready to roll, start to paint it up. All right, so she's painted up. Got the bridges made up. They're down at the moment. Added some grout here for texture. Gonna let that set and dry. Add another coat of paint. And I think the RC roller coaster is just about done. Let's see here. There she is.